John McKinnon coming back at you again at IFCEE 2024 in Dallas, Texas with Hard Hat Cam. I am at ProDig's booth here with Chance Campbell. Chance, what is this big, yellow, beautiful tool I'm looking at here?
So this is my direct drive head. It's the DDT 90K. It's being used up to 90,000 foot-pounds of torque. Its sole purpose, really two purposes, is to drive helical pure installations up to 90,000 foot-pounds of torque, and at the same time be able to drill from small to large diameter drilling for as deep as you need to, whether it's a CFA or just standard rock and soil drilling.
So you said 90,000 foot-pounds. That's a pretty big helical pile. How big of a pile is that?
You'd be looking at a stem that's roughly 2 feet in diameter. And then including the flighting, you probably got another 8 inches on top of that.
Wow, that's a wicked big tool. So this is a big one. Do you offer different sizes, bigger or smaller?
We do. So actually behind me, we also have a DDT 25K. So that one's utilized up to 25,000 foot-pounds of torque. And that can be used as something as small as a skid steer or just a 12-ton or a 6-ton excavator.
So if I want to put in helical piles with this, do I have to have a separate torque meter, or does this tool have all that built into it?
So you can either utilize the pressure gauges that come along with it, or you can work onto that and use a torque monitor, my IntelliTorque.
Okay, yeah, I'm very familiar with ProDig's IntelliTorque. It's a great tool to be measuring torque. Anything else you'd like to tell me about?
The big difference between this and a lot of the other drive heads that are on the market, this does not have a planetary gearbox. So the big deal about that, it cuts down your maintenance. So a lot of the times with planetary gearboxes, you have to maintain it like a car. With this, you don't. So you take away the maintenance and the downtime on the job site. It uses hydraulic oil only. So the only thing that you actually have to do with it is make sure your hydraulic oil is clean. At the same time, there's no efficiency loss. So generally with a lot of planetary style gearboxes and planetary drive heads, you have about a 20% efficiency loss. With this, you only have 3%. All that translates to is that this puts it in faster.
Wow, that sounds like a big deal. Well, thank you very much, Chance.
Thank you.